Hello everyone, dear interns. Today we are going to discuss about roles and responsibility for my 2021 batch. This is the Excel sheet which I have already shared with all of you. And in this Excel sheet, I have explained about your roles and responsibility. So I have shared this link on WhatsApp. Now coming to the work side, so there is two tabs which you for C++ and Python. The let me explain you the first the C++ side work. So this is these are the libraries on which you are going to work. Just leave this library. I have marked some of the libraries as a yellow background. So just leave this library. Don't write any article for these libraries because people are already written for the for March 2021 batch. They are still writing articles on these libraries. You have to pick these libraries which are you have to pick the libraries which are not having the yellow background, like the Poco data keywords, data ODBC, Postgres SQL, SQLite. And here I have captured some of the additional libraries. These all libraries are related to the databases, like in MySQL, OTL, Redis, SQL, API plus plus, these are libraries. So how you are going to work is you have to write your name in reviewer section. So if someone is picking the any of the library, you have to write your name here. And after writing, you are going to pick only one article at a time. So while writing your name, you are not allowing to pick another article, another library. So first you have to complete whatever you have selected, and then only you have to move to the another library. So while writing the library, let me clear one thing: how you are going to write the article name. This is really important because our search engine SEO code is also running in the background. So when you are going to write something in C++, it should match for as per our uh, SEO, as per our SEO requirement. So while picking this library, the article name should be. First, you have to. This is for Python and C++ both. When you are writing any article of C++, you have to mention C++ word in the article name. Then you have to mention the library name. So here, library is Poco colon data, and the first article should be introduction. After writing the introduction article, in introduction article you have to write very clearly what is this library, and what is the use of this library, what is the advantage of this library. You have to write uh, you have to capture all the APIs which are available in this library. So, and you have to write a small description about each and every API, and apart from this you have to write one sample code. Guys, this is really important. If you are not going to write like this, your article will be deleted or of the CP signals. We are maintaining our coding guidelines. Our the quality of code, we are always maintaining it. So just be professional and write the things in very professional manner. So the article name, the first article should be introduction article. After that, you have to look for the all the available articles, all the available APIs or functions available in this article. Let's say this article is having around 10 APIs. So the new article name will be C++ Poco data. The colon use is only for the C++ articles, not for the Python, because colon is having the different meaning in C++. It is the scope resolution operator, and it is using with the namespace. So Poco is the namespace, and data is the class. So here and now here you have to write API name. And in this article, API name, this is the second article, you have to write clearly about this API. What is this API? What all arguments it is expecting? What is the output of this API? And how you are going to write any sample code. This is really important. So you have to pick only one library at a time, and you have to complete it. So our the way we are working is this is the internship for 2 months. The first 1.5 month you are going to work on the library. You have to write 50 plus articles or 25 plus articles as per your availability. After this, next 2 to 3 weeks, we are having a review section. So review means that's the means I will just do shuffling here. Shuffling means I will assign. This is the kind of peer review. So someone written, like as let's say Shivam written one the articles about any of the library. So I will assign this the review side Deepak. So Deepak is going to going to review all the articles written by Shivam, and Shivam is going to review all the articles written by Sandeep. Sandeep is going to review all the articles written by Deepak. So like this. So I will just do shuffling here. So you have to this would be kind of peer review. So you have to write the code very professionally, and if someone will found any problem in your code, you have to modify it as per the review comments. Whatever your peer will do, will give you the review comment. So you have to do modify it. Then only it will accepted on CP secrets. And guys, this is related to your certificate also. So before writing the this is nothing like as doing copy paste, because by exploring the library you have to explore the API, and then you have to write the program by itself. Yeah, and don't think that you are if you are writing one article on any of the API, you have to write only one sample program. If you think that this API can be used at multiple places, then you have to write multiple APIs. So thing is, if someone will visit your on your article, they must satisfy from whatever you have written here. From the Python side, these all libraries are there for the from the Python side. The same principle for Python also. The article name should be the Python courses. The first article should be Python. Python's words must be there with each and every article. When you are working on the Python's internship. So the first article name will be Python courses, then introduction. Now, after writing the introduction, in introduction, I have already explained what all things you are going to capture. So when you are going to write the introduction article, you have to clearly write about the library and what all APIs are available. If you go to this function, there are a lot of libraries, are a lot of things are available, right? So like a kill care, log name, meta, these all are functions which is available in this library. So you are going to write one article for each and every functions. Okay, and the first article introduction, it is really important. In introduction you have to write the introduction article should be like this. Now, whatever I'm showing, the introduction article should be very big. It should be the big article, and you have to describe each and every item. uh, I'm not going to say you have to define each and every item in lengthy. You just write one line like this. Here they have written, right? So you have to write like this. And while writing the introduction article, you have to write all the articles. You have to write all articles for all the APIs which is available, because right now there is no website in the world which is going to write which is having all the programs for these small API, but CVP secrets is having. And your introduction article should must have the link with this article. Let me show you one thing. One very good if you go to any of the library like a DynamoDB, right? So there is the first article is get started, and if you go to this article, he has written. See, the guy written the next part, because you have to write you have to link all these articles, if you are writing if you picked one library and you are writing 50 articles for that library, you have to link all the libraries like as YouTube, right? So in YouTube, if you are watching a video in the at the end, right, it is showing the link, it is linking the other video also. So like this, you have to write next. You have to link. So while writing it, first you have to write all the 50 articles. Then you have to link it like this. The next something, so that people will enjoy it as a tutorial material, as a tutorial. Okay. So you have to write all the articles. And one more thing, it is really important. If you picked one library, library and your 50 articles completed or your 25 articles completed, it doesn't mean you are going to stop the writing articles for that library, because it is nothing, it's a loss for us. You picked one library and you have seen that this library is having 100 apis or 50 apis, you have written only 25 articles. I don't have any idea about these 25 articles. I'm going to sit around one day to just to identify that what all API you have captured in this library. So it is really a hard, again, a headache for me. So I'm not going to say you have to write capture each and every article, but if whatever is possible, you just capture it. And introduction articles will be very clear. In introduction article, you have to write everything like every API like this. And here, the link is not there, but in your article, link should be there. When someone will want to see this one, right? You just click on this. It will go to the article for this put p, and they in that article you have to explain clearly about the put p function. So these are libraries assigned to you guys. You just have to start working on it, and we we will have a stand up on every Saturday, and in between also I can, if someone, and you have to share your link of your article in WhatsApp group, so that people will start reviewing it. If I would find anywhere you are going in wrong direction, or you are not writing something correct, then I will call you, then and also I will put my review comments in group only. Okay, I hope this must be clear to all of you. And if you have still any doubt, you can connect me anytime. Thank you, everyone.